Hey guys, it's Dr. Jessie. I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you about a disease that I treat frequently at my practice, kidney disease. I've seen everything from acute kidney disease to chronic kidney disease. And it's important for us to recognize that the kidneys are extremely essential for your cat or dog. The kidneys are responsible for filtering out toxins, making sure we keep the right amount of fluids, as well as minerals within the body. So let's jump right in. Signs of kidney disease in your pet can range. I've seen everything from increased urination and drinking to complete loss of appetite, meaning they won't eat the foods that they used to really love. They may even run to the bowl, look at the food, almost seem like they're about to take a bite, start salivating as if they're nauseous, and then turn away. You can also see things like vomiting, diarrhea. It really varies. My holistic plan for a pet with chronic or acute kidney disease will always include 4 aspects. It'll include acupressure or acupuncture, ozone therapy, preferably subcutaneously if we can, but rectal is also an option, food therapy, as well as herbal therapy. And I'm going to take the next part of our video I'm going to take time to go through every part of it with you. Acupuncture and acupressure can be used for all of my patients with chronic or acute kidney disease. I absolutely love acupuncture for these patients. Why? There's a number of reasons. Acupuncture and acupressure involves a stimulation. For acupuncture, it's going to be with the needle. For acupressure, it can be with hot stones, it can be with your hands, your fingers, it all depends. But we put the pressure basically in precise points on the body to stimulate the body to heal itself and improve blood flow to that area, to that organ. It all depends. For the patients I have seen, what I love about this type of therapy for them is that I can increase blood flow to the kidney disease. I can also do things like increase the appetite, increase the energy, and just improve the overall quality of life for the pet. And not only that, it's non-invasive. Which I can't say about a lot of therapies that are out there in veterinary medicine. The next topic I want to speak with you about is subcutaneous ozone therapy. This is one method of ozone therapy. I personally love ozone therapy, especially for my kidney patients. I select subcutaneous ozone therapy because it means I can not only introduce ozone, but I can also introduce subcu fluids, which tends to be what we do all the time on the Western side of veterinary medicine for kidney disease patients. By infusing ozone through subcu fluids, I can raise the oxygen level within your pet safely. And this is not something that can be done routinely. Subcu ozone therapy is a very safe way to do it. And so with excess oxygen in the body, everything is going to function better, including our kidneys, which is big for these kiddos. The number of times I've heard owners tell me, oh my gosh, he got the subcu ozone treatment and now he's running around, he's got so much energy. It's a really nice therapy to use. The next pillar that I want to go through is going to be herbal therapy. Herbal therapy works hand in hand with acupuncture. For me, I prefer to use the herbs I was trained in, which is traditional Chinese medicine. This is something that is very specific. It's based on the tongue and the pulse of the patient, as well as a few other characteristics that I go through with each of my patients and my clients when they come in for their consultations. The whole goal of herbal therapy is to help the kidneys function better and increase energy. The final component that we're going to go through today is going to be food therapy. Food therapy is phenomenal. As I'm sure many of you guys have recognized, when pets have kidney disease, they tend not to have much of an appetite, or they'll have an appetite that basically selects for all these different foods on a rotating basis. So today they might love chicken, tomorrow they hate chicken. They won't touch it, won't go near it. And that's okay. It has to do with the kidney disease and making the pet feel nauseous. The wonderful thing about food therapy is that we can always alter the foods we pick, the toppings we pick, everything based on how your pet is doing. And there's a lot of different options. For some of my clients, they prefer kibble. For other clients, they prefer whole foods. I personally love home-cooked foods for all of my patients, especially my kidney patients. I select them based on their traditional underlying Chinese pattern, and then we go from there and alter as needed. So we've just gone through the 4 major pillars for treating your pet with kidney disease. I want to elaborate that I do recommend combining Western and Eastern care when I'm treating a pet with kidney disease. And that's all I've got for you today. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to start going through all the different disease processes and how holistic medicine can help your pet. Bye guys.